Hey everyone, so today we are making peach cobbler muffins. So this is a recipe I got from the newsletter that Gundry MD sends out in the email, and it had a list of a whole bunch of yummy summer recipes. And so I saw these peach cobbler muffins and thought, I gotta try those. So when I think of peach cobbler, I think of camping and cooking it in like a cast iron skillet, because that's the way I've pretty much always had peach cobbler. And that peach cobbler is, well, pretty much unhealthy. So this is gonna be a healthy, good for you version that hopefully tastes just as good or at least close to the original. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've got the oven preheated to 325. I've got my muffin tin here with the parchment paper liners. So the next step is peel and dice up 3 peaches. Okay, so I got them all, the muffin tins, pretty full. I just kind of, filled them all up. So we'll see how they turn out. All right, I left them in there for about 18 minutes. Let's try this one. That's pretty clean. I'm gonna call it good. It's not very clean. All right, we're gonna leave them in just a little bit longer. Oh yeah, hot out of the oven. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. So I've actually cooked these for 23 minutes, and I'm starting to get a little nervous that I'm gonna overcook them. I've been doing the knife test to see if it comes out clean. And it came out clean. It said about 12 to 15 minutes. These took about 23 minutes to cook. I don't know, maybe I just had extra juicy peaches. So you just kind of have to experiment a little bit, but that was what the clean knife test looks like. I'm gonna eat one while it's hot, because sometimes food is really good when it's hot. So I've only let this cool down to about the point where I can just sort of hold on to it. It's kind of really gooey and gushy. But I don't know, the parchment paper is peeling off of it pretty good, so. I mean, it's cobbler, so peach cobbler, so that's usually kind of gooey. So I'm gonna give it a try, nice and hot, and nice and gooey. Okay, here we go. So that is actually really good. Of course, it doesn't taste exactly like peach cobbler made with sugar and some of the other floury products, but this is really, really good. But I think the recipe as is very good. And I'm probably gonna eat the other 11 of these because right now nobody's home and nobody knows I made them, so Jen doesn't ever watch these videos, so she'll never know. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really good, and this is what we try to do. Find recipes that are healthy, supposedly good for you, and taste good. Then we'll make it, taste it for you and let you know if it's worth making. So hang in there, stay on your healthy diet. Even when you want to cheat and eat something, you know, not so good for you, just whip up a batch of these and you'll be good to go. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you on the next video. So good.